3 words I would use to describe Hofstra are inclusion, challenging, and fulfilling. I came to Hofstra because I wanted something new and exciting, and I wanted to experience living in New York. It's a completely different outlook to be a student at Hofstra, to be an orientation leader, and you would see it and people would come up to you, and it's very cheesy, but it's fun. It's fun to have everyone come up to you and them tell you you made an impact on them. And then just like meeting my housemates and my sorority sisters, the ones that I graduated with, are very special to me. Like, they're people I want in my life forever. I'm big on literacy, so I love teaching literacy. I love teaching people to be passionate about literacy and why it's so important. And I just love being someone that can help someone else. I will miss campus. Campus is beautiful. And I will miss the School of Education. I'll miss everyone there. I've been with them for now 5 years. After I graduate, I'm planning to move back home and be a classroom teacher or a reading specialist. I'm Meredith Halperin, and I've got this.